The Omicron variant has become the dominant type of coronavirus circulating in many countries, overthinking previous variant such as Delta. It can be contagious even if you have been vaccinated, but current vaccines are still providing good protection against severe illness. What is Omicron? A variant is a slightly older or mutated version of a virus. There are thousands of COVID variants around the world, which is to be expected because viruses mutate all the time. Omicron is strangely different from some other COVID variants, and the one that started the pandemic because of the long list of genetic mutations it has undergone. In particular, there are dozens of genes to the part of the virus targeted by the vaccine, the spike protein. This could make it better at sidestepping some of the protein offered by vaccine. Or past infection with COVID, Omicron does appear the highly spreadable even in those who have been fully checked.
Two-thirds with Omicron saying they have had COVID before. Omicron variant, more mutation may make it spread faster. Spike protein help the virus enter human cell. New variant has 32 mutation on the spike protein. New variant has 10 mutation on the receptor binding domain, which gains entry to cells.
There are several types or sublineages of Omicron, including BA.1.1.529 and BA.2 that have slightly different mutation from each other. The World Health Organization says mountain events suggests BA.2 is proving to be a bit more transmissible than the other. Is it worse than other variants? The evidence shows Omicron infection tend to be milder. Since fewer people are getting sick enough with it to need hospital treatment compared to other variants. That is largely down to the amount of protection or immunity that people have built against COVID from past infection and vaccination rather than chance to the virus itself. Even so, if it is more infection, it could lead to more deaths in an unvaccinated population. Are current vaccines good enough? Preliminary lab study found 2 doses of COVID vaccine might not be enough, which is why some countries, including the UK, are giving people extra doses to boost their immunity. UK research suggests booster should provide good protection against several illnesses. As with other COVID variants, the risk remains highest for people who are elderly or who have significant underlying health conditions. The current vaccine might not be a perfect fit for Omicron, they are still the best line of defense against COVID. They have cut the risk of severe illness against the other major COVID variants including Delta, Alpha, Beta, and Gamma. Doctors say it is vital people get the recommended number of doses to gain maximum protection against exciting and emergency variants. Extra COVID booster in spring for hour until 75 and high risk. How many people have been vaccinated so far?
Coronavirus variant, what are they and how do they happen? One, high number of genes increase risk of mutation. The more a virus spread, the more chance it has to mutate. thousands of small changes have been seen in coronavirus so far, most with little impact. 2. Some mutation led to new variant. Every so often a virus changes in a way that help it survive. Scientists are particularly concerned about change to the spike protein, the part that help it enter human cells.
How quickly could we get new vaccine against variant? Update version of vaccine against COVID. Variants are already being designed and tested. Manufacturers could scale up production quickly too, and regulations have already discussed how to fast-track the approval process. Moderna has already said its hope to have an Omicron booster ready by March. Although the lab tests in animals suggest they might offer little advance of our standard shots. What about the other variant?
K coronavirus variant.
The most potential dangerous ones are called variant of corona. UK officials have been keeping an eye on a recent descendant of the Delta variant called IY.4.2 or Delta Plus, as well as Omicron or Deltacron, COVID infection that combine Delta and Omicron. Why do variants occur? Viruses make carbon copies of themselves to reproduce, but they aren't perfect at all. Error creeps in that change the genetic blueprint, resulting in a new variant of the virus. If this gives the virus a survival advantage, the new variant will there. The more chance coronavirus has to make copies of itself in use the host, the more opportunities there are for mutations to occur. That's why keeping infection down is important. Vaccine help by cutting transmission as well as protection against serious COVID illness.